Welcome developer. Can you remember we have started a new exciting series and it's React JS 19, React Router DOM version 7, Tailwind CSS for all the latest technologies, and we will go with 6 projects. So uh, today you are going to get version number 2. So by React JS 7, you see I will show you the you see React JS 19, React Router DOM version 7 and Tailwind 4. So all the latest technologies, and we are going to make the navigation bar and have some routing system. So this is home page, this is about page, this is service page, this is contact page, and this is dashboard page. And in the dashboard page, it has the nested routes. This is profile page, setting page, and we have used outlet. So outlet React Router DOM, go to version 7. You see outlet is very handy. So outlet, so this is outlet. Okay, renders the missing child routes the parents route, nothing of the child routes missing. Okay, so I have done this by outlet. Okay, so what I have discussed over here, we are discussing about React.js 19, React Outer DOM version 7, and Tailwind 4 version, Tailwind CSS version 4. Okay, so we are going to the navigation menu and a card, and it's totally responsive. You see, it's totally responsive. So we have used hamburger menu, totally responsive. Okay, so if you make it open, it will close whenever you will extend it. So it will be a wonderful journey, so stay connected. Okay, let's dive into the deep. So we are working on it installation. So I have already installed. So what I need now, browser router, and wrap this app. Okay, so copy that and go to main, not main, yes, this is main, and bring it from React router like that. Okay, so React router. Okay, we are done. Now what we need routing. Okay, so for routing, first of all, I'm creating some components and pages. So components equal to navbar tsx rfc. So I will make responsive navbar, but right now give it a bare minimum. This is navbar. Okay, and connect it to app.csx. Okay, so this is navbar. So this is navbar components navbar. Okay, okay, now I need to create some pages. Let's see whether it's working or not. This is navbar, and first of all create pages. Okay, pages, and first of all create the home page. Home page.tsx. Okay, rafce. This is home page. Okay, now create some pages also. inside pages. Okay, about about.tsx. So RAFCE, this is about page. Okay, page and create services services.tsx RAFCE. Sorry, this is service page, and create another page, service contact this is contact page. Okay, so f.tsx. So I wanna keep navbar outside, but inside. So you see the, so what we need routes. First of all, we need routes. Okay, routes. Okay, so route should bring from React router. Inside that we need route. Okay, so we should bring route and its home page. We don't need like that. Should bring home page from components. So this is navbar, this is home page. So our route is working. Okay, well, we will see the nested routes also. So bring another pages, and this is about from component. Okay, this is services from component. Okay, and we need another one. It is contact. Okay, contact will come from page. Okay, so I hope we are done. So this is home page, this is about, this is contact, and this is services. Okay, everything is working. Okay, now it's time to create the navbar with full styling, responsive navbar, and a card, and do the necessary things. Okay, so first of all, go to navbar and give some style to the about, contact, and everything. So in the navbar, what we need to do, so inside that we need, say, nav. Okay, and remove this. So inside nav we are giving a style class name by Tailwind CSS version 4. Okay, so bg gray 900 text white, and shadow LG. Shadow LG. Okay, so inside navbar, what we need? We need a div. We need a div and give it a class name. Max width 7XL. Max auto. Padding X4. SM. Padding X6. LG. PX8. Okay, inside that we need another div and give it a class name. Say flex items center justify between height 60. Okay, and inside that, first of all, we need, it will justify between. We need another div, and inside the div we need logo and give it a style, class name, flex shrink 0. Okay, and logo, and this logo should have a link. Logo will be inside, and it will navigate us to, first of all, bring the logo from React router DOM, React router. Okay, and it should be navigate to us in the home page. Let's see. Yeah, we are getting the expected output. Okay, and we will do the responsive design. Okay, so this is our logo. After that we need desktop menu. Okay, so for desktop menu we need a div. Inside div, well is there. Inside div, what we need a link, home to home, and we need home about then so we have no pages, but we will create it later. Dashboard. Okay, so let's see whether we are getting the desktop menu. Okay, so we need to give some style over here in the div. So in the div class name, it will be desktop menu hidden MD flex in the Tailwind work mobile approach first. Okay, so it will remain hidden in the smaller device. Okay, but when it will MD, it will start flex. Okay, MD items center, MD space x 8. Let's see. Yeah, we're getting the expected result. This is about page, service page, contact page, dashboard page. Okay, and in the small device it will remain, you will not get it. Device it will pop up. Okay, now create the hamburger button mobile. Okay, this is desktop. So hamburger button mobile. So we'll bring hamburger button from React icons. Okay, React icons. So first of all, I need to install it. Then I need to bring hamburger menu. Okay, FA hamburger. Say FA hamburger. FA hamburger. So this is FA hamburger. So I am using it. Okay, I'm keeping it right now. Okay, first of all, we need a div, and div it should have a class name. It will be MD hidden. In the larger device, it will remain hidden because it will work hamburger. We need hamburger when we will be in the mobile device. Then we need buttons. Button. Okay. Inside button, we need on click. On click. We need set open. We need to bring open. Set open equal to is open. It will toggle between. Okay, so we need to bring set open here. Const open set open user state false, and we should bring user state from React. Okay, sorry. So set open is open. Is open, set open. We use set open. Open, then it should be open. Okay, or you can give any name. Is open, is set open. You can give it like that way. Is open, set is open, is open. It should be capital letter. Okay, so set is open. First of all, set is open, and it should be is open. Any name you can give. So it will toggle between. Okay, so now we have the on click, and we need class. Not here, not inside. Class name, inline flex. Okay, items, center, then justify, center, padding 2, rounded MD, text gray, 400, and it will have some hover effect, so we'll give it later. But inside that, there will be a span, and inside a span, open main menu. Okay, now we need hamburger menu. This hamburger menu, and it should bring from React icons. Okay, and it should have a class name. It will show you something conditionally. Okay, so it will is open. If is open true, it will be hidden. Otherwise, it will be block. Okay, and it should have a height 6, width 6. Okay, now we need close icon, so bring close icon from where, close icon, so close, no need icon, so you can take any close, say you can take this, and class name, it will class name, it will be is open. If it will be opposite, okay, it will be block and it will be hidden. And right, let's see what we are getting. npm run dev. So we are getting, but it needs some, we are getting the icons, but it needs some styling, some problem with the style. Let's see. So first of all, create the mobile menu, then I will fix everything. Let's see what are the problems we have. So mobile menu, okay, no worries, I will give you the code. You will get up the GitHub repository, so you can use the code from here. Okay, div, inside that we need another div. Okay, and inside that we need, first of all, link to home. This is home, and we need another 5 more links. Home, then we need about, then we need services, then we need contact, then we need dashboard. Okay, it should go to the about, services, should go to the contact, it should go to the dashboard. Okay, so give some style. So class name, so it will go conditionally, is open, block hidden, md hidden. Okay, we need no more, and in this tip we need before that we need another div, link, no this div, no this div, this div, this div, this div, this div. Okay, we need only one div. Okay, that is it. Okay, class name px2 pt2 padding top 2 padding bottom 3 xy, and small device it will px3. Okay, let's see. It's not working, so I am rectifying it. It will work, no problem. So I have solved all the problems. No problems. You get up the you get the GitHub link. So it's working just fine. You see about service contact. Okay. So and it is responsive. You see the hamburger menu. It's working just fine. So it is 100% responsive. Okay. So now create another pages and give some style. Okay. So now we will create the hero section. Okay. So let's go inside component. Say neighbors hero. And inside that hero.tsx. So inside the hero section, say RAFC, this is hero, and inside that create some items. Okay, items equal to, create an array, first ID equal to 1. So say text equal to, say card1, and its color should be bz red 500, and create some more. So this is id 2, card 2, and it should be basic blue 500. Okay, This is card 3. This is card 3. It should be green. Okay, this is card 4. We'll take 6 cards. Okay, and this is 4, and it would be different. Give it different color, green, then yellow. Okay, this is 5. This is 5, and it would purple. Purple, and take another one. This is 6. This is 6. This is pink. Okay, so inside deep we need to map those things. Okay, so take another div over here. And inside that we need map. Say items dot map. We will get single item. Okay, and we need deep. First we need 2 first brackets over here, and another first bracket should be here. So errors are gone. Okay, we need deep. So inside deep, first of all we need key item dot id. Okay, and key should be here, and give it a class name. Class name, it will be conditional. So we need backtick and item dot color and text white, padding 4, and rounded LG. Margin bottom 4, aspect ratio will be 3:4, 3/2, so 3/2. Okay, and inside that we need item.text. And this is hero item. We should include it in the home page. Okay, instead of that we need hero. Let's see. We're in the about. We got use card. Some style are missing, maybe. What is hero? Let's check. So we have not given the style over here. Say class name max with 7XL and X auto P4. Class name column 3 gap 4. Let's see whether we are getting the expected result or not. Still we are not getting the expected result. Okay, now it is working, you see. So we are getting expected result and it's 100% responsive. You see, this 100% responsive. Don't worry, you will get the code. I'll give you the code. It is 100% responsive and it is done by Tailwind CSS version 4, React 19 and React Router DOM version 7. So now it's time to give some styling in our pages. Okay, so go to the about page. So give some style over here. Class name, minimum height, screen, okay, flex, items, center, justify center, and busy gray 50. Okay, and give another style inside div, and give it a class name, border gray 300, padding 8, rounded, pixel, shadow LG, busy white. Okay, and I'll give it a class for P, text, Excel, font, semi-bold, text, gray 900. So let's see whether it is working or not. On about, yeah, it's working. Okay, so give the same style to another pages. So I am taking this style by another pages and change this is contact page. Contact page, this is service page, okay. So about service contact. So we have gotten our expected result. This is home page. You see it is highly responsive. This is responsive. Again I am showing you this is responsive. If I click over here and it's navigating to our expected and we get the style. Service page, about page, and this is responsive. So we are done. So what we have done, we have used, we get our hands dirty by Tailwind version 4. We have some basic routing. So in the next tutorial we go for nested route. Okay, so this is the basic routing. You have to wrap this app by the browser router. Okay, you can read the documentation. You will get the clear user-friendly documentation. So this is all about. If you like the video, please like, share and subscribe. Stay tuned, stay connected, and it's gonna be a wonderful journey. And we are going to create 5 or 6 projects by the latest technology and versions. Thank you very much. See you soon.